I'm Dr. Laura Ellis, and I'd like to start addressing certain topics more candidly in my educational videos, particularly when it comes to claims around longevity biology, such as Klotho signaling. We're beginning to see skincare products marketed around specific longevity pathways, most recently the Klotho protein. Because Klotho is a real and important aging regulator, the claims deserve careful scrutiny. For example, some products describe themselves as the first to isolate human mesenchymal cells. From a scientific standpoint, that statement is false. Mesenchymal stromal cells have been routinely isolated and cultured in laboratories worldwide since the 1990s. So that language describes a common laboratory technique, not a unique biologic innovation. More concerning are statements that cells are genetically modified to upregulate the Klotho gene and produce Klotho protein. If interpreted literally, that implies engineered cells are producing a biologically active human signaling protein intended to alter aging pathways in human tissue. That is not cosmetic territory. That would be biologic drug territory. Yet, the topical formulation to be applied to skin is a conditioned media mixture containing thousands of unidentified signaling molecules rather than quantified, purified, functionally validated Klotho protein. So the scientific question becomes simple. Are we activating a defined longevity pathway or observing general regenerative signaling and attributing it to a named molecule? For a pathway-specific claim to be credible, we would expect to see concentration measurements, stability in formulation, penetration into viable human skin, receptor engagement, and reproducible downstream biologic activity. Without those data, no claim can legitimately be made referencing a longevity gene with any anti-aging mechanism. Referencing a longevity pathway is not the same as delivering one. As regenerative dermatology evolves into biologic medicine, credibility will depend on transparency and reproducible evidence, not marketing interpretations of biology.